Take 3. It's unboxing day. When I was a kid, I used to look forward to the mail coming because it might have a box in it with some kind of a gewgaw that I ordered from a cereal box or a back of a comic book. Oh, but this is even better. This is the Micro R press made in Switzerland, made by my PrintPal, Lori. Oh boy, he's cut out all the parts for a micro press, a micro wooden press based on the design of the presses that Rembrandt used in the 17th century. Oh, and here they are. All the parts. This would be the felt blankets, the gears, the roller. I recognize these because we've been corresponding for the last 6 months and I've been following his design step by step. I can't wait to go off into a corner and really savor this feast. Great unboxing day. Thank you, Lori. And thanks for the PrintPal website.